Welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting carpet on a landing. As you can see here, I'm checking for power direction. I'm getting ready now to check to make sure the carpet fits all sides of the landing. It's quite important before we start cutting. Pulling the carpet up now to make sure it covers the door bar. And now I'm about to check to make sure it reaches the other side of the landing. Brilliant. It reaches the other side of the landing. So from this point onwards now we can get on with cutting the carpet and making it fit the landing. I'm just opening the door to make sure that the carpet covers the door bar on the inside, because I believe the door's closed so you can't see. Great. All good? Now we can get ready to actually start cutting the carpet. This cut here that we make from this point back towards the door is so that we have enough carpet to drop over the step. This is called a point cut. We do several point cuts on the carpet. And I'm about to make a V cut, which allows the carpet to sit nicely into the corner. Now after we've completed all our point cuts, we'll be ready to actually start fitting the carpet. Cutting it down so that it actually fits into the places we want it to go. The landing is one of the harder points to fit, simply because it has a lot more cuts than a room. That piece that's up in my hand over the stair gate is what actually goes over your step. Goes without saying, a sharp blade is quite important. It does help you. One of the first things I teach my students, a sharp blade is a safe blade. As you can see, we've completely cut down all corners and we are actually ready to fit the carpet now. That cut that I just made is called a back cut. The tool I'm using is called a plastic tucker. And there you go, all done now. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Comments down below.